In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam browser. We'll start by launching the Steam desktop application and logging into your account. Once Steam opens, remember that it isn't just a store, it also includes its own built-in web browser. Designed to keep you within the same window while you explore games, communities, and content. You'll find this browser everywhere you already navigate. The store, the community, and your library. When you click around those sections, Steam renders pages using its internal browser, so you don't have to jump out to your regular web browser. On any store page, if you come across a link you want to explore without losing your place, simply right-click it and choose Open in New Tab. A new tab appears across the top of the Steam window, letting you keep the original page open while you check out trailers, DLC, or recommended games. Tabs make it easy to compare pages side by side within Steam and hop back and forth. As you research, if you want to reach content that lives outside the store listing itself, you can still stay inside Steam. Use the Community Hub to search for what you need, things like guides, discussions, or workshop content, and follow Steam's own internal links to reach those destinations. Steam will load those pages with its integrated browser, so everything remains in one place. This keeps your focus on what you are doing and avoids opening a separate browser on your desktop. When you are in the middle of a game and need quick info, use the Info Game Overlay. Press Shift+Tab to bring it up. From here, you can open a browser window to look up walkthroughs, guides, or forum threads without quitting to the desktop. It's a convenient way to check a boss strategy, review build recommendations, or confirm a puzzle clue. Then drop straight back into the action the moment you are ready. Putting it all together, Steam's browser helps you research new titles, read community tips, and get answers while you play smoothly and in one environment. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.